They said, come on down and check out all these amazing antique and classic motorcycles from all around the world, showcasing these featured bikes in South Florida at the Dania Beach Antique and Classic Motorcycle Show.
Alright! YouTube, 3.5 million views on Power Moto. P-O-W-A Moto. I love you guys. You guys are doing it. They like bikes. They're from Miami. P-O-W-A Moto. Subscribe today. Power Moto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers. It's on.
And I came to rah.
Power Moto. We're at the event at the Dania Beach Antique Classic Motorcycle Show on Power Moto. He's doing it. Classic, sir. You're doing it. You're on Power Moto. It's a dirt machine. It's a Triumph. All right. Nice knobby tires there, sir. Do me a wheelie. That's what I do on Power Moto.
There were some crazy bikes to see, from choppers to cruisers to ADV bikes and sport bikes, and even some amazing antiques. We went for a ride with a gorgeous Boss V8 chopper motorcycle, and it was shining in the beautiful sun. It got me so excited, that loud noise. Everybody could hear her sing. But at the end of the day, even the subscribers came through and the community came together. I got a chance to meet builders and bikers from all around that were showcasing their antique bikes, custom builds, and even selling their merchandise and motorcycles to community. I got a chance to connect with many of you subscribers and even Instagram.
You liking bikes? All right, follow this girl. Daytona as well this year? Where you guys?
We got invited to do this invited builder show for Virginia.
Oh, this has two tanks? Two tanks? So what happens? Fuel. I like your color selection here. Thanks. USA right here. This guy's going on a big tour. Cross country and shit. I like that. Up rocks, down mountains. She's a good girl. She's doing it. She's at the event. All right. You're gonna win, bro. You're gonna win. I'm telling you. What year is it? 2000. Oh. Built it, huh? Built it. A little bit heavy. Yeah, you know. What we gonna do? Alright, Jesse, hold on. We're talking right there. Good job.
Stay tuned for next year's event, on Power Moto on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. If you like this events video, check out some of these other events videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.